Hi friends, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about shopping in the Southeast Prime Boise area, where there is an Albertsons and banks and credit unions and some restaurants and what there is available in this pocket. And the pocket is right just about 5 minutes outside of Boise and about 5 minutes before Harris Ranch. So it's a great sort of in the middle area. So there's all kinds of great shopping, and it's a surprise. It's a surprise that in the middle of all of these subdivisions and the Boise River and the Greenbelt is right there and there are parks, there's also this little enclave of shopping. So we're gonna take a look at what we have to offer in the Southeast Boise Prime area in this little shopping alcove. And I'll give you an overview map of this area as well, so you can take a look at that. And then just some screenshots and some videos of the different businesses and restaurants and things to do. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks again for tuning in. And if you'd like more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, be safe, be happy, and be home in Idaho. Bye-bye.